Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets for you. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with the intriguingly named Cherry KW X ULP keyboard. Let's find out if this beauty lives up to its name. Now, the name might sound like a jumble of Scrabble tiles, but don't let that fool you. The Cherry KW X ULP is a masterpiece in both design and functionality. Despite its mouthful of a name, the keyboard is far from ugly. In fact, its sleek and thin profile, coupled with brushed aluminum and chrome accents, makes it one of the most visually appealing mechanical keyboards out there. But the Cherry KW X ULP's beauty goes beyond its looks. With a full-size layout featuring 111 keys, including function, media, navigation, and number pad, this keyboard is a typing dream. Each key boasts precision-engineered Cherry MX ultra-low-profile switches, the same ones found in top gaming laptops like Alienware and MSI. These switches deliver a satisfying tactile response and quick actuation. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The Cherry KW X ULP is a multitasking champ, allowing you to control up to 4 devices simultaneously. You can connect through USB-C, 2.4 GHz wireless with the included dongle, or 2 Bluetooth 5.2 channels. Switching between devices is a breeze with a simple function key shortcut, and the keyboard's backlight changes color to match your chosen device. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Cherry KW X ULP boasts a powerful 2,800 mAh lithium-ion battery that can last for weeks on normal usage. No need to worry about constant charging. And setting up the keyboard is a breeze, no additional software required. However, if you want to customize the function keys, you can use the Cherry Keys app, which offers a wide range of programmable options. But let's get to the heart of the matter, typing experience. With Cherry's ultra-low profile switches, typing on the KW X ULP feels like a dream. The switches offer a tactile response without being noisy, making each keystroke a pleasure. The 1.8 mm travel distance and snappy rebound give your fingers a momentum that enhances your typing speed and accuracy. Speaking of speed, my typing speed noticeably increased while using this keyboard. It's like the KW X ULP gave my fingers a turbo boost. I even achieved higher scores on typing tests. However, there's one elephant in the room, the price tag. At $249.99, this keyboard is undeniably premium, but the hefty cost might give you pause. So, here's the verdict. The Cherry KW X ULP keyboard is a true masterpiece of design and functionality. It's a joy to type on, offers versatile connectivity, and is built to impress. However, the high price might be a stumbling block for some. If you're willing to invest in a top-notch typing experience and stunning aesthetics, this keyboard is a winner. That's a wrap for today's review on the Cherry KW X ULP keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world and finding those hidden gems.